Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today, we're going to draw and color a very big, very special number block. Numberblock 700. Let's get our pencils and paper ready. First, draw the rectangle for the bottom left block. This will be block 100. Let's count from 1 to 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, count by tens to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Next, draw the rectangle right next to block 100, bottom right. That's block 200. Again, add 9 vertical and 9 horizontal lines inside to make this 100 grid. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. 200's done on the bottom row. Add 9 vertical and 9 horizontal lines to make a neat 100 square. Let's count from 1 to 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. That's the third 100. Wow! Now, build straight up on the left. Draw block 400 with the same grid, 9 vertical and 9 horizontal lines. 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400. 400s! We're getting tall! Draw block 500 above block 400. Let's count from 1 to 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500. Now, go back to the right side. Above block 200, draw the rectangle for block 600. Add the 9 vertical and 9 horizontal lines. Five 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 590, 600. 600s! Looking strong! Finally, draw block 700 above block 600, top right. Fill it with the grid lines to complete the 700s. Let's count from 1 to 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690, 700. That's me, 7 wonderful hundreds. Draw big round eye with pupil. And a happy wide smile underneath. Add colorful tufts of hair on top. a curvy arm on each side, and 2 small legs at the bottom. At the very top, write the number 700. Nice drawing! Now we color. We'll color each 100 block one at a time. Color slowly, spell each color, count by tens as you color, and do the mini game at the end of each block. Pick up black, color the pupil, and carefully outline the big smile shape. Black equals BLACK. Minigame. Point and clap for each circle you see. Clap twice for 2 eyes. Now yellow. Color the outline around the eye and the inside of the smile if needed. Yellow equals YELLOW. Minigame. Find one yellow thing nearby and show it to the camera. Hair. Rainbow. Quick pass, tufts. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Color the hair tufts across the top in this order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Spell each color as you color each tuft. Minigame. Count the hair colors out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Color both arms and both little legs with a light orange or cream. Orange equals ORANGE. Minigame. Stretch your arms out and wiggle while we color. Now, color the entire block 100 red. Spell it RED. Color slowly across rows. Fill each small square carefully. As you color, count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Weenie game. Clap 10 times after you finish coloring this block. Numberblock 700 says, "I love red at my base." Next, color block 200 orange. Spell it ORANGE. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Minigame. Find something orange in your room and show it. One quick peek. Now, color block 300 yellow. Spell YELLOW. Color slowly, counting tens for this 100. Continue. 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. Color block 400 green. Spell GREEN. Color each square carefully. Count by tens as you go. 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400. Minigame. Jump in place 4 times, one for each 100 so far. Now, color block 500 blue. Spell BLUE. Slow coloring, count each 10. 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500. Minigame. Take a deep breath like the blue sky. Inhale, exhale. color block 600 dark blue. Spell DARKBLUE. Keep coloring slowly. Count tens. 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 590, 600. Minigame. Stomp your feet twice. 2 stomps for the right side column. Finally, color block 700 purple. Spell PURPLE. Take your time. This completes the 7-color tower. Count the tens for this last 100. 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690, 700. I'm so colorful. I'm ready to count all the way to 700. Amazing! Your number block 700 looks absolutely brilliant. You just created a masterpiece. You learned that 700 equals 7 times 100. 7 hundreds stacked together. 7 hundreds? That's huge! 7 times the hundreds, 7 times the power.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.